just held our youth question time in the Cwmbran campus of Holi Gwent. A really great event. It was so good to see people in person again. And the questions were really, really good. It ranged from coping with the cost of living crisis to issues around sexual health, around the attitudes of the police towards things like vaping. And we were very surprised to hear that there isn't much educational content in terms of schools delivering stuff to explain the dangers of vaping. So it's something we are certainly looking forward to doing again. It's all about involving young people in their future and getting them to, or rather helping them to understand the role that they have to play.